And here it is. Here's the brand new iPhone 17 Pro with this gorgeous new design and this beautiful new colors. In this video, I'll obviously tell you everything that's new, show you all of the new colors, and give you your first and early hands-on look on this beautiful new iPhone. So first off, let's take a look at this brand new redesign from Apple with the iPhone 17 Pro. Apple has actually moved a lot of the components up in the top to actually cram a lot more battery life on this iPhone. And that is exactly why we've got a brand new redesigned camera bump. You've actually got aluminum all over the iPhone, but as you can see right here, it's actually ceramic shield, which in fact, you've actually got ×3 better scratch resistance. And also, ceramic shield in the front is actually now called ceramic shield 2, bringing also that scratch resistance improvement to this iPhone. This is a very big deal because as an iPhone user, maybe I'm always using my iPhone maybe at the beach, maybe I'm actually putting keys on top of my iPhone, so improved scratch resistance should make this iPhone way much more durable. So the protagonist of this iPhone is actually the brand new thermal management. So I've been personally having issues, especially in very sunny days. During the summer, when you tend to use your iPhone a lot, it often tends to overheat. But now the iPhone 17 Pro has its first ever vapor chamber system. So it basically will keep your iPhone cooler for a way longer time, which is a very big deal. Having a cooling system on an iPhone for the first time, once again, is a very big deal. And that is also one of those reasons on why Apple actually opted for this brand new aluminum design compared to titanium, which according to Apple, it should sustain heat, make your iPhone cooler a lot better compared to the iPhone 16 Pro. All right, let's talk about the camera system right now because it's probably one of also the main protagonists of always the Pro models. So first off, you've got 3 48 megapixel fusion camera on all 3 lenses. And there's a lot of really exciting things to do with that. First off, if you open up the camera, once again, using camera control, which is still here, you've now got a 0.5 lens. You've got a ×1 with 24 millimeter, 28 millimeter, 35 millimeter. You've also got 24 and then ×2, ×4, and a brand new ×8 zoom, which is absolutely incredible. As you can see, it opens up this little magnifier so you can clearly see where you're going. But also now, for the first time ever, digital zoom is getting crazy because you now have 40 times zoom on that iPhone. As you can see, the zoom is absolutely crazy. Let me give you a quick example. Apple actually has this incredible image right here. You can clearly zoom in and you can clearly see that there's a lady right there standing. But Apple actually shot this photo using that brand new ×8 lens. And just look at that sharp image. It's absolutely amazing how it can go from this to this in this super incredible quality. So the iPhone 17 Pro also has a brand new feature concerning selfies. You can see it's all doing this automatically. Let me show you the way that it works. So you've basically got center stage now on the iPhone for the first time. So you can choose between toggling auto zoom off, auto rotate off, or on. And once you have that, first off, what this all basically means is that you've now got a super wide, ultra wide selfie, which absolutely looks incredible. But as you can see, there's a brand new button right here, which is the center stage. Now the center of the camera is actually squared, and what that allows you to do is actually take selfies horizontally with still maintaining your iPhone vertically. It's absolutely incredible. This feature is so cool. Before, you obviously had to shoot selfies like this in horizontal, but now you can simply keep them like this and still shoot horizontal selfies, which is a very cool feature. Also, in all iPhone 17 series, you've got this feature right here. You see this right here? This is dual capture. What this will allow you to do is, as you can see, shoot your front view with your back view. You can move it out top left, top right, so you can record both things at the same time. And what's cool about the 17 Pro in particular is that you can still use, for example, that ×8 with the selfie camera, and you can do both at the same time. So this is very useful for capturing moments, obviously, that are very special to you, and you want to record that front and back view as well. All right, so the A19 Pro Chip is the heart of this iPhone, which will obviously run all of the Apple Intelligence features that you would expect, and also high-level graphics. This demo from Apple right here is absolutely crazy on how real, the ProMotion display also makes it feel, but also just the graphics absolutely feel incredible on this iPhone. We're obviously going to go way much more in depth on why the A19 Pro Chip is actually such a big deal, not only for the basics that you would expect an iPhone to do for gaming, but also for efficiency and also for all these advanced AI features. Obviously, iOS 26, you can actually run Apple's own AI model inside of the device. So I just can't wait where iPhones get so fast and so powerful that you can run full AI models inside of this thing. So the iPhone 17 Pro comes in two sizes. It comes the 17 Pro coming at 6.3 inches and the 17 Pro Max with 6.9 inches. You've got very different displays, one that is way much smaller and one that is way much bigger. Obviously, like every single year. Out of these two, which one's your favorite? I'm honestly very curious on which one will be this year's iPhone for me. It is, by the way, just a tiny bit thicker than last generation's because of that way much better battery life. And yes, if you talk about battery life, the 17 Pro Max gets up to 39 hours of video playback. This honestly looks incredible with the specs. I personally can't wait to bring it home and actually test it out to see if it's actually that good. I mean, the iPhone actually had to get way much thicker to make this work. So I'm sure Apple put and crammed a lot of battery life on this thing. Once again, I'm excited to actually test it out. Other than that, by the way, the design feels overall the same. You've still got the power button. You've still got camera control. You've still got USB-C and incredible speakers. You've still got the volume controls and action button. And obviously that incredibly useful dynamic island, which I personally love. So the iPhone 17 Pro obviously comes with a bunch of accessories, as I was showing you with the straps, but they also come with the standard cases that we all know and love. And just look how gorgeous this orange case looks on the orange iPhone. I mean, come on, that's an incredible look. You've obviously got those holes that I was telling you about before, and they all come in a bunch of accessories as well, including the tech woven MagSafe wallets and all of the tech woven cases. I don't know if you guys can hear it. That's kind of like the sound, the texture that it actually has. You've got the full cutout right here with the clickier buttons as well. And what I'm wearing right now is actually the brand new crossbody strap for the iPhone 17 Pro. It's a brand new accessory from Apple that allows you to wear your iPhone straight on you. This is the brand new tech woven case, which has this very woven-y texture. It's very satisfying with very clicky buttons. The buttons, Apple has actually redesigned it. In the bottom, you've got these tiny holes, which in fact snap onto the crossbody strap. It comes obviously in a bunch of colors. It's also available on the iPhone Air, iPhone 17, and iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. It basically, the cutout will basically give you that straight camera cutout. I'm very curious on what you think of the crossbody strap. I feel like a lot of people will be rocking this and it will be a very popular accessory for the iPhone. Okay, so these right here are all of the brand new colors for the iPhone 17 Pro and 17 Pro Max. Starting off with this beautiful, absolutely astonishing cosmic orange color. You've got a very bright little light palish orange right here, and then it's way darker on the outside frame of your iPhone. Then we've got the deep blue, which I feel like is crazy. Just the fact that we don't have any black, any space gray options for this generation of iPhone. Right now, the dark model is a deep blue, which I'm very curious on what you think about it. I still think it's beautiful, but I'm very shocked that it doesn't come in any black shape or form. And then for the basic ones, I mean, I'm kidding, this color is absolutely beautiful, but it's silver. It's basically the white generation of this iPhone. You've got silver all around the iPhone except this right here, which is totally white. So that's the iPhone 17 Pro and 17 Pro Max. I'm curious, what do you think overall of this generation of iPhone? If you want to keep watching and discovering what's new with the iPhone Air or the standard iPhone 17, you can tap on these videos and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.